Do you want to know how to update all apps on your iPhone at once? In this video, I will walk you through how to save time and effort by updating multiple apps simultaneously. I'll show you the best way you can quickly and easily get the latest updates for your favorite games, tools, and utilities. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on this screen, just pull down your screen once to refresh it and make sure you are seeing all the updates that are available. And then scroll down a little bit and you'll see a section called Available Updates. And right under that, you can see that there is an option called Update All. So go ahead and tap on that, and it will simply update all of your apps at once. And then tap Done at the top right corner of the screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.